Today, I will be showing you how to update your Homes.com profile. Keeping your profile information up to date makes it easier to manage your account and receive important notifications. First, go to the upper right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, click on Account Settings to continue. Once you're inside the Account Settings page, you will see options to edit your personal information. Here, you can update your first name, last name, and phone number. You also have the option to add or change your profile picture if you'd like to personalize your account. After making all the necessary changes, click the Save button to apply your updates. Your profile information will be updated immediately. And that is how you update your Homes.com profile. Thank you for watching.